Good day, everyone. Welcome. Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's virtual lesson on elements of a story. I am Teacher Kures, one of your instructors for this session. I hope you're all ready to dive into some exciting learning. So, at the end of this session, we should be able to first identify the key elements of a story and, of course, recognize the role of the elements in creating an engaging stories. In order to do that, let us first define what is a short story. Well, a short story is a brief fictional prose narrative that deals with a few characters and a single effect. So it is short, fictional, and it has few characters. And a short story is usually engaging and more likely to easy to understand because of these elements. The first one is the plot. The plot is the backbone of any narrative, and it includes the sequence of an events that unfold as the story progresses, usually following a beginning, middle, and end structure. So the plot is the backbone of any narrative. Okay, so it has sequence. And under the plot, it has also sub-elements. So the first one is the exposition. Exposition in a story, it serves to introduce background information and establish the setting and introduce the main characters, providing essential context for the narrative to unfold. So it is the beginning of the story. The second one is the rising action. The rising action is where the conflicts escalate. It is also where the tension builds and obstacles arise, leading to the next one, which is the climax. The climax is the pivotal moment of greatest tension and conflict. So, where the outcome of the main conflict is decided and the narrative reaches its peak intensity. And the next one is the falling action. Falling action in a short story follows the climax and entails the resolution of the central conflict as loose ends are tied up and the story moves towards its conclusion, often revealing the sequence of the climax. And the last one is the resolution. The resolution is the conclusion of the story where the conflict is resolved and the loose ends are tied up. So those are the sub-elements of the plot. And the second element of a short story is the characters. Characters are the individual that drive the plot forward. They are the protagonist, antagonist, or the supporting characters. So let us have a short review. Protagonist is depicted in the story as the heroes, or they are the main character. They are the lead of the story. On the other hand, antagonist is viewed as the villain of the story. The enemy of the lead character. So that is the character. The next one is the setting. The setting provides the backdrop for the story and includes the time, place, and social environment in which event occurs. So the time and place in which the story occurs, providing context and atmosphere of the story. The next one is the conflict. The conflict is the central problem or the challenge that the characters face. Conflict creates tension and drives the plot forward to the character's attempt to resolve it. So it is the central problem or the challenges that the protagonist protagonist is facing. So last but not the least is the theme. The theme is the central idea or a message of the story. So that is the theme. So I hope we all understood the basic element of the story. For us to further understand, let us watch this short story titled The Wind and the Sun. Okay, so that is a very short story about the wind and the sun. Now, let's test your understanding with our lesson with a few quick evaluation questions. I'll ask a question and I want you to pause the video to think about your answer. Are you ready? So here is our first question. Pause the video and think of your answer for for 10 seconds. So, who are the characters in the story? The wind, the sun, and the man. Did you get it correct? Okay, so the next question is, what is the conflict of the story? The wind and the sun challenge each other to see who can remove the man's jacket to know who is more powerful. Did you get it right? Okay, so the next question is, what is the climax of the story? The sun takes a turn and gently warms the man, causing him to remove his jacket. That is the climax of the story. And last but not the least, what is the theme of the story? Being gentle, warm, and compassionate towards others. So that is the theme of the story. So I hope you get it correctly, the answers. And that's it for the elements of a story. Once again, I am Teacher Perez, your instructors for this session. Thank you so much.